And welcome to the Hulk Smashers giveaway. So right here we have a few participants and there is a winner and then a second prize for somebody right here in the lobby. So we're gonna start off with the Hulk Smashers and the winner is Destructor is the winner for Hulk Smashers. So we're gonna go right into the item shop and we're gonna do that giveaway first of all. So Hulk Smashers, congrats. Buy as gift, and we're gonna look for Destructor right here all the way down. Here we go. So Destructor 87, continue on. You're gonna get a new gift right there, sending it out. It does say all gifts were delivered. Okay, do a dance if you got the gift, Destructor. There we go. Okay, so they were delivered, it's all good. We have somebody else that just came into the lobby, so they have a chance at winning. Okay, so the second prize, which everybody right here in the lobby wants, is the Jungle Scout. So here's Jungle Scout. And the winner for the Jungle Scout is, let me just take a look at all the names right here. So it seems that randomly, Weldon has been selected to win Jungle Scout. So congrats, Weldon, at winning Jungle Scout. And there is an actual surprise giveaway coming up. There is a third winner. So there's one more person that's gonna win. So right now I'm gonna send out the gift first to Weldon. And then there's gonna be one more winner from the lobby that's also gonna win Jungle Scout. So we're just gonna go down to Weldon. We're gonna select him, continue on. Send the gift, sending gift. Oh, wrong Weldon. No, I'm kidding. There we go, Weldon. You put on the skin, you're dancing. There we go. And we got somebody else joining that has a chance to win the third prize, which is also Jungle Scout. And the third prize goes to Delton. So item shop, and he gets Jungle Scout. Buy his gift. Delton, is your mic working? Oh, okay. Just couldn't see your name. Okay, there we go. So there we go, Delton. You can select, continue on, and sending gift. So that's the third surprise for today for everybody that went into the lobby. Now you can put on the skin if you got it. No problem, guys. So put on the skin so we can check it out. There we go. So we got two jungles right there and then one Hulk that we can't really see the pickaxe, but oh well. Anyways, if you guys would like to participate in any of these giveaways, you guys can just follow these 3 simple steps. Number 1, go right into your item shop. Down here below, you guys will see support a creator. Just tap right there and you guys will type in, just enter tech and design just like you see it right here. Accept. That's step number 1. Step number 2, subscribe to this YouTube channel, Tech and Design. So just hit subscribe. Step number 3, below in the comments area of this video, you're gonna type in, I want to win a free skin battle pass emote back bling. It depends what you guys want to win, just type that in. So in this case, if you're signing up for a free skin, type in what skin you guys want. You guys want the battle pass. If you're signing up for that, then it's the battle pass. So be specific what you guys want, and in the end, just type in your epic username. And that's because I have to match up your epic username with whatever name you guys are using right here on YouTube. Anyways, that would be it. All you guys have to do is follow those 3 very simple steps and you're all done. That's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.